There may be a saying that money saved is money earned. Money saved is not money earned. If you keep on saving and saving to earn, then when are you going to earn to earn? You have to earn through working, not through saving. Saved money came from earned money only. Money earned should not be saved. Money earned should be put into the business again to earn more. Money saving means cost cutting. Once you start to plan on cost cutting, that means your business is drowning. Come out of mindset of cost cutting, which may reduce the luxury of your business, ambience of work atmosphere. Comfort gets reduced for those who work for you. How the big company is getting bigger? Because the owner doesn't has the mindset of beggar. Focus on expansion, not on cost cutting. Focus on improving, not on saving and saving. You may offer filter coffee for cost cutting. Suppose you offer cappuccino. Chances it may contribute at least 1% of your deal to be closed. You may stop giving parties as cost cutting. Chances you may lose the valuable resource in your system because your company is no more cool. Money saved is not money earned. Continue to watch next on In Business You Can Be Lazy and Sleeping. In business you can be lazy and sleeping. You have to work hard and smart to raise your business. Once it's raised, you cannot continue to work hard. If you continue, your business may not survive longer, because at initial stage of your business you are doing everything, not because you know everything, because you cannot afford recruitments. Once you establish your business, you start recruiting, right? After establishing and after recruiting, please reduce your work, because to manage you will have to hire a manager. To improve quality, you will have to hire a quality controller. Instead, you drain your whole day into it. And for business, hire business experts. They may be expert than you. Use best brains, not only your brain. For the business to run better, don't keep on using only your brain. Use the best brain in the system. In each and every corner of the business, keep on hiring. Let they struggle a lot. You stay lazy and make a surprise check or audit once in a while. Not every time, once in a while. For every time checks and audits, you can even hire for that also. So this show is something morning to night. What about night to morning? You can sleep night to morning, right? But your business should not sleep. It should keep on working for you. Business is not a human to take rest. You cannot work continuously for your business, but your business can work continuously for you even day and night, non-stop. You can take rest, you can be lazy and sleeping, but your business should not take rest. It should not be a lazy or sleeping. The business should be entire opposite of human laziness and sleeping. If your business is not taking much of your time, it means your business is very organized. Continue to watch next on how your loopholes can be closed if others has loopholes. How you can close your loopholes if others has loopholes in a business. Sometimes you can close your loopholes on your business and sometimes you cannot or you don't know. To close loopholes, you need to outsource the experts. To outsource, you have to pay for that service. They will do it for a payment. With other business, don't keep only the money relationship. Also keep an good relationship. Don't connect everyone with money. Helping in business can save you in crucial times. For example, you have an container manufacturing company and your loopholes is a transportation. Help a company who is well running on transportation with improper or screwed containers, where containers itself is a loopholes for them. Reach them and offer them an sample support for them with your container, which makes them their business better. Then absolutely they will come into the picture to close your loopholes in a transportation. In business, not only money is a transaction. Win-win support is a great transaction than money. Support wins money. Money doesn't win support. Your loopholes can be closed if others has loopholes. Continue to watch next on Selling is Wrong. Selling is wrong. Dear sellers, yes, selling is wrong. Please don't try to sell. Please make them to buy. People love to buy things, but they hate when someone tries to sell it. Example, they need insurance. If you try to sell it, they may not buy from you. They become defensive. They came to buy an Android in a store in a mall. If you try to sell Apple, they will not buy. How to make them to buy? You need not to make them to buy. They're already in a buying mindset. You just need to create an buying mindset for non-buyers. At least 10 out of 100 comes front to buy it. Those who are already in buying mindset and you want to push your Apple, you need to make them to fail buying Android. So 50% of their Android buying tendency automatically shifts to Apple. Don't push the Apple, just destroy the Android need. Also, don't missell. Lot of e-commerce websites are not trying to sell. Observe, all those websites or apps are making them to buy. They are not even meeting people. They are not even convincing. They are not even forcing. That means they are not trying to sell. They are making them to buy. When a non-human platform can make this, why the human cannot make them to buy? Selling is wrong, make them to buy. Continue to watch next on There is an employee even without salary. No, it's not about AI. There is a best employee even without salary. No, it's not AI. Even AI may refuse to work for you if your subscription is ended. A human resource may not give the best output for you even if you pay them. Your mind and body is the only employee in the world which works for you even without salary. To make best use of your body, treat your body as your slave. It's a best slave who works happily for you. Love it. It is the only last resource left for you. Even if you are running out of money, your body can work as a labor for you. If you are a jobless, it can work as a driver or delivery partner for you. Feed it properly and worship it gratefully. Even it can become prostitute for your survival. Your body is God. Your body is best employee for you. The only employee whom you can trust. AI cannot become a prostitute for you. AI cannot become a labor. AI cannot become a driver or a delivery partner if you are a jobless. AI cannot sell a bottle of blood to feed you. Your body is God. Even after it dies, it can sell its kidney, lungs, liver, heart, or eyes, whatever, few organs for others for money, and it can feed the body's family. Even the brain cannot be sold. The mind inside the brain cannot be sold. Body is God than the mind. Write in comments what type of business you are planning. We try to decode that business in future videos. Why you have to watch my video? Because you have to scan your business plan. What will happen if you watch my video? You will only identify the simple mistakes in your business if you watch my videos. I don't believe in none of your business. I believe your business is my business. I don't believe in none of your business. I believe one of your business. Common sense is sufficient. New sense is efficient. Come and join with New Sense Benoy. Hope you all are SSLC holders. Shared, subscribed, liked and commented. For me to become your PA